I'm Kay, and I am here for Kit Conspiracy. I have a pretty little studio, and this one is called Ginger Snap. So I loved this kit as soon as I saw it because there's the adorable little owl that is in here, and I could not resist him. He is so stinking cute in this kit that I had to have all the things that had the little owl face on them. So I'm going to move all of our goodies off to the side. We're going to go through all the papers that we have picked out and then check out what we have as far as embellishments go. So first things first is this paper here. Now they are all single-sided, so we don't have to show anything that is on the back side. But this one is called Fall Bucket List, and it is a ton of words. I love how that has some of the words highlighted, like with a highlighter. Yes, I love that. Then we have this one here called Sunset, which is this beautiful striped rainbow paper in these gorgeous fall colors. I love this so very much. And it's got dictionary words printed inside a few of the little strips. So I love this. Next up, we have September Afternoon. It's this gorgeous, warm, very warm colored ombre effect. And I almost like, it almost looks like the paper is in the back and then it's whitewashed. That's so pretty. I never noticed that before. Next we have Ledger number 1, which just looks like, again, one of those elementary school ledgers where it's got the dashed lines, but very, very tiny and petite. So it can be used either as a base or as little strips, and you can still tell what they are. It's not too big, not too little. Just right. This one here is called Popcorn. It makes me giggle, but it's this beautiful plaid that is a yellow on yellow plaid, just gorgeous. And it's a mustard yellow stitching going on right there, but it's gorgeous. This one's called Oktoberfest, and it's just got these gorgeous fall color rainbow stripes. A little on the grungy, you can tell that some of them are kind of jaggedy and whatnot, so that is just awesome. I like how it's not perfect stripes. This one's called Hayride, and it's that ledger paper, but then they've got these brush marks to where it's almost like they took bleach and wiped it off, and behind it was a dictionary paper. It's beautiful. I love it. This one here is called Good Book, which I love the stitching of all of the different little pieces, couple little animals poking out, which I feel like is Pretty Little Studios' kind of signature, is all of these classic little animals. They're so cute, you guys. Absolutely cute. This one here is called Ledger number 2, and it's a good graph print. And then we have Candy Corn, which is awesome for all of these little strips of paper. Look at all this color and all that print. Oh my gosh, this one is cool. I wish I would have had a million of those. Super cool, you guys. Lots of potential on this piece of paper. This one here is called I Love Fall, and it is a ton of tiny little hearts. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I can't say I love it. But we'll see. We will see what I can do there. This one's called Dried Flowers. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors. All the colors. That is so pretty. Just absolutely beautiful. And then of course there's this one. It's animal print. Look at all these adorable little animal faces. Oh my gosh. And this is it. That's the animal that said it all. It said that I needed every single thing from this collection. I didn't buy everything, but that little face and that little owl, I mean, these guys are all cute, but that is what did it all, and I had to have all the things with his little face on it. Trust me, it was an addiction. So that's called Animal Portrait. And then bringing in all of the embellishments that we have going on. We have a lot of embellishments for this little kit. So the first thing that I have is a pile of leaves. And so here we've got all these leaves. Oh, they're so pretty and so realistic looking. Just so pretty. and they're not very big. I like that. They're just the right size. This one here is called Ginger Snap Labels. So we've got a good medium, large, square, ornate, circular, just a bunch of good little labels for layering pieces. This one's called Potpourri Mix. Look at my little owl sticking out right there. Oh my god, he's so cute. And you flip it over and you've got tickets and banners and tabs, the cute little critters, more different banners. I think those are mushrooms, pine cones, all sorts of good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, and that butterfly that matches the dried flowers. So pretty. Then we've got the Thanks and Giving Flare. Look at the little owl. I had to have him, you guys. I could not say no. So 3 of them have words on them. 3 of them have these adorable little creatures on them. Oh my god. Yes. I don't know what I'm going to do with the owl. We don't have owls, but this one here is the Cozy Weather banners, and you get 2 of each banner. One is one is larger, one is on the smaller scale. Look at the little owl. He's peeking out. Oh my god. So here they are. Like I said, you get one that is smaller and then one down here that is larger. Or this one's larger and this one's smaller. 6 inches and 8 inches are the sizes that you get in here. So pretty good, pretty decent sized little banners. And I love just how, I don't know, they're just so full. They're not scraggly little banners. And then last but not least, this one here is called Fall Foliage. And it's all these, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They're like weeds, but they're so pretty. I think these are called mums. I'm not really sure. They're beautiful. They really are. And then this one's called Dried Flowers. And here we've got a little bit of bees, a little bit of butterflies, and a lot more of the leaves and flowers, the watercolory little flowers. So lots and lots of things to do if you're not into the cute little critters. If that owl does not speak to you like it did to me, lots of little things to use other than my cute little owl. It's okay. You won't hurt my feelings if you guys don't like the owl. But anyways, all right. So I plan on using this every Friday, or on the Friday, Sunday, and Tuesday of this week. And then if I get to any more layouts, then I will definitely share those bonus layouts with you guys. All right. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.